What sex act are you good at or best at? Please take the shot. Please take the shot. Tell us your most embarrassing vomit story.
I threw up like in the entire city of Rotterdam, in every corner. And yeah, that's how it went. And it was very embarrassing. But yeah, the next week I did the same in Amsterdam.
Damn. Legal ka? Oh yeah, Jenny.
Bote casco ne.
Como la paking. Hey amiga, what is up and welcome back to the channel.
Hit them notes, bitch.
Hey. Okay, so welcome back to the channel, amiga. It's your girl Jennyfer Ross, and I'm here with the sis.
Period. Your girl Noncharaz. You already know the vibe.
Oh yes. Today we are gonna do something a little bit different on my channel because we're gonna do a truth or drink. We just came back from Germany and we bought the absolute vodka, and we poured it in our glass. There's quite some in here. You know, your girl cannot handle alcohol that well, so this is already gonna F me up. Yeah, we already know that.
This is gonna be good.
Yes.
This is gonna be good.
And I think you know the drill. We have questions that we need to answer. If you don't want to answer the question, you need to take some of the booze.
Buy me
So
a
that's
drink.
what's up. I have also a chaser. I have water because I promise you I need it. But anyways, part 2 or part 1 is also on my sister's channel. That is Noncha Ross, but her channel will also be linked in the DB, the description box. So make sure you go check out her video as well. And we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave us a comment down below. And let's go.
We ready.
Hey, we ready.
Hey.
Amiga, before we get into this video, we just finished filming it. I think there should be a trigger warning. This video is not for children, okay? If you have your child sitting next to you, send them to bed. Or
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Go stand in the corner.
Oh, yes. No, they don't need to stand in the corner. You just can't watch this video. Or watch this video when you're alone, with your alone time, because this video is not for children. Okay? That's all I wanted to say.
No alcohol underneath the age of 18.
Exactly. No, we do not support underage drinking. Do not do that. We're both of us are above age. So
have fun watching.
Have fun watching. What's your number?
My number?
Well, we're not gonna put that on the internet, of course. Like, come on, do we have to take it?
I'll drink today.
Nobody's getting my number like that. What's the shortest amount of time you've known someone before hooking up? It's Ben. And it was after a week.
A few days.
Few days. Few days?
Few days, bitch.
Okay.
But that was like my whole phase, you know?
Yeah. Well, but still, your body, your rules.
Yeah.
So.
And there's nothing wrong. It's like, I think if the vibe's there, the vibe is just there, you know?
Yeah. If
but
it's not, then
I
it's not.
do think like in this society, it's quite hard for someone to think like that, it the exact same about the situation, about that like you do. But if you're like absolutely sure about that person, if the vibe's right, it's just right.
Yeah.
But don't go, I will be careful in this society and this time and age.
Yeah.
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 Well. Telling y'all my business and stuff.
Where is the grossest place you've ever hooked up? I don't do it like that, y'all. I'm sorry, I don't. Gross? Sorry, I'm not doing that. Why would I hook up with you in a gross place? And like let germs into my punane? Like, no, we're not gonna do that. No, I didn't do it in any gross place or unsanitary, like nothing like that. No. Just no. Okay. We have to talk after this video, that's for sure. Now, this one should have been on your channel because what the hell is up with these questions?
What does that mean? But bitch, what does that mean? Actually, what are you trying to say?
Oh my god! What sex acts are you good at? Or best at? I'm not gonna talk about that. Please take the shot. Please take the shot. I mean, yeah.
Why is this supposed to be on my channel? I feel like a little bit low-key insulted, but
Why? Your channel is a wild-and-free place. Mine is not. I have children watching sometimes. Like, you can't do that.
Please take the shot.
Yeah, please take the shot. What the hell?
Is my channel a wild and free place?
I feel like you are very open. And especially after like the sugar daddy story time. If y'all didn't watch that story time, please go watch it. Please go watch it.
I don't know what to drink. I got like 3 drinks.
You need to drink the one with the alcohol.
I got like 3 drinks with me.
So do I.
Yeah,
but you need to take the one with the alcohol.
I already did.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna go with water now.
Why do I get all the raunchy questions? What is happening? What is your longest dry spell? 6 months.
A year. More over a year.
Yeah. And like, I'm talking for right now when in a relationship, but before that even longer. Maybe sometimes years.
6 months in a relationship?
Yeah.
Maybe you should have got that.
But why? Why? I lost a baby and I was just not, yeah, sorry. You better not be laughing at that.
I'm not. No, you're right. Just the way you said it.
Yeah, 6 months. Because I lost the baby and I was just like, you know what?
I just thought like
I needed time, yeah.
Yeah, I just thought like you wasn't in the mood.
Yeah.
You was like, I'm not giving you anything for 6 months.
No. What the hell is that, bitch? No.
That's what happened.
No. We were having difficult times
Ik lach maar rond.
due to that.
Still low-key insulted about the question like this should have been on your channel, but okay, moving
I
on.
feel like it should have been on her channel. Who is the most inappropriate person you've ever had a crush on? This is no fun. I will have to drink to all of this.
Just the most inappropriate person. Yeah.
For sure. I'm not gonna talk about it. He doesn't even deserve the clout. Like, I'm not gonna talk about you. Nope.
Yeah. That guy looks like the bottom of a shoe. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
No, with me there were multiple inappropriate people. Like I used to have such a bad taste in people, and I used to get myself in situations that I'm like, girl, what the fuck are you doing?
Yeah.
Like what? Yeah, there were many, so I don't even know where to start.
Yeah. Shot.
Double shot.
Hey. Tell us your most embarrassing vomit story.
Yeah. Tell us.
Isn't it the story of us together? Well, it was the first time. Listen, my parents. Listen, Linda. My parents went out to go dance salsa together. Dance salsa together. And I wasn't really babysitting those because she was of age, I think, that you could stay home alone.
Yeah.
But she was very, very young, like 12 or something.
Yeah, 13.
Yeah, or 13, yeah. So she shouldn't be drinking at all. But she was so excited for them to leave. And the second they leave, she was like, yeah, let's go drink. Because my parents, they have the booze. Always. They always have the booze in the house. And you can choose because they have a whole bar we're from Curacao, you know, everybody is like that.
Yeah, everybody has that.
Yeah.
If you don't got like a liquor collection in your house, you are not Caribbean, period.
Yeah, exactly. So we decided to, because we don't know that we're not supposed to mix things, we decided to take shots of everything just to try which one we liked.
I just wanted to try how it will feel to be drunk.
Yeah. She was watching too much Jersey Shore. So we were drinking all type of stuff. And then we got to Malibu, I think. And that was the worst mistake ever. Because we liked it, because it was sweet, and we drank the most of it. And then, bam, with that shit, all of a sudden you're drunk. All of a sudden you're drunk. And we were so fucking drunk, but it wasn't funny. Everything was funny, but actually it wasn't funny at all. And then we decided, like, you know what, party done. We went to bed. And then in the middle of the night, my eyes were open, and I felt like the roof was spinning, and I was like, what the fuck? What the fuck? So I go to the toilet and I throw up everything.
And the thing is, we had like those mirrors, like
everywhere in the toilet.
And like she told me, then she woke up and then like a full 180 and
all the fucking mirrors. Oh, were covered in It was so gross. And I was so stressed because I know my parents can get home anytime and find this mess. So I was too sick. I felt so horrible. But I tried to do my best at cleaning, and I was like, okay, you know what? They're gonna be tired in the morning. Then I'm gonna wake up and clean it up better. So I did. I sprayed all type of shit. Then she goes, you threw up too.
Oh, I don't remember.
Yeah, she threw up too. So the next day we were both sick as hell.
Yeah, I woke up like hangover and on my period.
Oh, it was horrible.
On my period. That was so horrible.
So we don't have to drink that. Was that your most embarrassing one?
Oh no.
Okay, tell us about your most embarrassing story.
My most embarrassing story is like when I got drunk. Like when I started drinking and was in my party phase in college. I really didn't know how to drink. So I would just drink. I was just doing something. And at one point I was at a party, and so this is like a events on multiple nights. And I was like at this house party, we were chilling in the room. And this girl was like, yeah, we're doing tequila shots. And I'm like, girl, I cannot handle it. And she's like, no shot, if you gotta throw up, like there is the sink. And I was like, no, I really can't do it. But I really couldn't do it. And I drank like Jack Daniels, and that just didn't go well with my stomach. But I also drank like vodka. Okay. And she was like, she was low-key forcing me. Like, you know, if you can't do it, if you gotta throw up, there's a sink. So I took that a little too literally. And I just took like one shot of that tequila thing. And next thing, I just had to throw up in the sink. And we were like in a room full of people. And at a certain point, a girl was like, what the fuck? Who threw up? Like, in the sink. Yeah, the girl was like, what the fuck? Who barfed in the sink? And I was like, yeah, sorry, that's me. And she was like, oh, no, I'm sorry. I didn't mean. I was like, yeah, but I was so out of it. I was like, yeah, but you said it. She was like, but baby, I didn't mean it like that. I just didn't know it was you. Yeah, it was like, but yeah, that night. Yeah. So that night, they wanted to go out. We was planning to go out. But yeah.
You were in no position to go out.
My point exactly. So we got somewhere, we got to the city, and honestly, when I got to the city, I threw up like in the entire city of Rotterdam, in every corner of the city. I just threw up that like strangers would come up to me and ask me like, girl, are you okay? And my friend had to take care of me. And yeah, that's how it went, and it was very embarrassing. But yeah, the next week I did the same in Amsterdam.
Damn! Legal ka? Legal ka? Legal. Oh, pipurta! Legal. Legal. Alagios pa señora. Legal. Aquí hay más. Qué falta de respect.
I don't know, I was just like in my college phase, and I was just going out a lot, and I was surrounded by these people, and everybody around me was doing it, so I thought it was like
Oh my god, okay. Have you ever sexted? This is sex texting, I guess?
Yeah.
Yeah, who doesn't? I mean,
Yeah.
there's nothing special about that. Top or bottom? Top.
Both?
Have you ever been to a strip club? Ever been to a strip club? I don't think so.
No.
No? Have you ever given a lap dance? Yes. That's not that juicy.
Yes.
What conditions are necessary for hooking up on a first date? Yeah, I tried to avoid that actually as much as possible.
I'm not gonna tell that because people will. No, I'm not
single.
gonna. Yeah, I'm not gonna
Yeah,
tell
drink
that.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't.
I'm not gonna give someone a manual to me. Fuck.
Okay.
Fuck no. Oh, would you ever sleep with a celebrity if you met them at a bar? And what celebrity is a no-brainer? What is a no-brainer? Is like someone.
An absolute no, I guess. What celebrity would I go with? Keng taway kasko ne. Oye, Jenny.
Bote kasko ne.
Como laga pakeng. Pakeng mi taway kasko ne. You mira aquí.
Kung ako bisa lagi ya,
Hey. Keng mi taway kasko ne. Importante que bes like ko gide video. Like, okay, I know who. Reggie Bush.
You will go home with.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I always liked him. I always thought he was.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And who wouldn't I absolutely not go home with? Like, who's an absolute no?
Girl, we ain't got all night.
Okay, you can go. I'll think about it.
Yeah, I don't think I would go home with a celebrity because I feel like celebrities, maybe it's like judgment for my side, but for my side, but I don't care about that.
There are people too.
Yeah, but yeah, I just think like celebrities already like have the world at their feet, so I wouldn't really do that. I would be like very cautious with that.
Yeah.
I don't. Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah, at a bar. I don't know. Nah. I was like maybe Kalani, but nah.
No?
No. I think she's pretty, but nah, I wouldn't do that.
Okay.
I wouldn't. Nah, I'm not enabling anybody to get more into their head because I've ran into people that think highly of themselves. So, like people that act like Beyonce. So, what if I ran into Beyonce? See,
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get what you're
If you
saying.
already think you're that high, if you already think that highly of yourself, how that person that's already there will think of themselves. And as I said, maybe it's judgment for maybe it's judgment for my side, but yeah, I wouldn't easily do that.
And who's an absolute no?
Yeah, them all actually. Absolute no, Chris Brown.
I don't have an absolute no, but I have a type. Okay, I have a type. Reggie Bush is my type. Ben is my type. I have a type. So everything that I guess is not in that type, that's an absolute no, I guess, because it's not worth it to me. So, if you could ever hack into your partner's email and they never know, would you?
Heck yeah. Heck yeah. I'm nosy as fuck. So
I don't think email is even that serious. Again, I'm not saying that cheating can't happen over email.
I once dated. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I once dated someone that no, not accidentally, purposely like put their diary under my foot where I was sleeping. And just, yeah, it was just purposely planted there. I was like, fuck, why would you want me? But it was so like planted. Ik wou zeggen
planted.
Yeah, it was so planted there in plain sight.
Yeah.
But that person was like, oh yeah, I thought you would have found it like, I thought you would have found it like months ago. And I was like, okay, so you put that shit there on purpose. That's fucked up. That's pretty fucked up.
Wow. Well, I did one time. I didn't hack. Yeah, okay. I hacked somebody one time and found out that he was cheating. And also I accidentally read my current boyfriend's emails one time and saw a situation that I wasn't happy with. It turned out to be nothing, but yeah, I guess I would. I did it in the past and I would. And he knows that I would. I let go of the control because I used to be a control freak. I wanted to know everything, every move, but that was very toxic of me.
I used to be a control freak.
Yes, I wanted to know every move because everybody was cheating and lying to me. So I was like, yeah, everybody's lying, but I needed to learn that not everybody is like that. But I guess since I've done it in the past, there you have your answer. When was the last time you peed in bed?
When I was 3. No, when I was 2.
Same.
I've been like zinnelijk for
my whole life.
Yeah,
basically.
I was in a pee weather or something.
Bad weather.
Yeah.
Would you hook up with your high school crush today?
Hell nah.
Mira que amiga, ahora llega Tama llega.
Oh yeah, I did that. I did that though.
You did that?
Kinda.
Oh my god. Who?
Bruh, I'm not gonna tell that. I'm not gonna tell that.
No, because I used to have a very bad taste back then. So no. I was in love with maybe I shouldn't even say that.
But Nick Carter.
Yeah, I was in love with a white guy and then he totally broke my heart.
Vanilla Ice.
I never really realized that I knew that I was brown or black, whatever, but yeah, when I told him that I liked him, he said like, yeah, I like you too, but I don't know what my dad is gonna think. And I was like, what your dad is gonna think? And
was that Nick Carter? Oh yeah, that was Nick Carter.
Yeah, kind of Nick Carter, yeah. And then I was like, what your dad is gonna think? What do you mean? And then he said like, yeah, because you're black and you have different hair. And I felt like I was crushed. I felt crushed. And ever since that day I never liked.
But basically, he liked you too, and not sticking up for him. But basically, he was like sparing you from his crazy dad.
He did, but like I felt so hurt.
Yeah,
that I was like, what the fuck?
That's not nice to hear.
Yeah,
though. But basically, he liked you too. But sometimes, if you know your parent is like wicked.
Yeah,
wicked.
Well, ever since that day, I was like, okay, I don't know if I can date outside of black. Like,
I don't date.
I need a black guy. I need a black guy. How many toys do you own? Okay, nog twee. How many toys do you own? One. Yeah. What's the raunchiest dream you've ever had?
I dream a lot, so cheers to that. I want these fucking dreams to stop. I honestly. What?
That sounds disgusting. Like you be having them back to back, huh?
Yeah, sometimes I dream about these weird ass people. I'm like, I do not want you in my dream. I do not.
If you were a sex worker, how much would each sex act cost? A lot.
Yeah, I think a minimum of 1,500. A minimum.
I would be an expensive hoe.
Yeah, like
an expensive sex worker.
I be doing some explicit shit, and I will never be a sex worker. Sorry.
Yeah. I mean, like, with all the respect for people who do sex work,
every people on OnlyFans, like if you do that, that's your little thing.
Yeah,
go ahead.
Get your money.
Get that money.
Yeah.
You know, get them pesos.
Yeah, it's not for me. It's not for me.
Me neither.
I cannot saw my body like that.
Sometimes I can look at a person and just like get nauseous of seeing them gross ass teeth or something. That's very bad though.
Yeah, no. It's not for me. Just the thought that, you know, I do not post any explicit pictures on my Instagram or anything. I don't shake my ass. Nothing against anybody who does. I don't do bikini pics unless I'm on a beach or whatever. And sometimes I receive dick pics and I'm like, why the fuck are you sending me dick pics? That is gross. That is gross. And imagine somebody be doing that because of me. Like, imagine if I was doing OnlyFans that people are jacking off because of my picture.
I need to stop that shit.
That's gross.
How are you gonna send a dick pic without getting asked to send a dick pic?
Last time I received a video of somebody doing that. Yeah, it was gross. And he was smart enough to do the video that I could only play it one time. Yeah. So I couldn't even show Ben. Because normally Ben and I laugh about the dick pics. But yeah.
I guess teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah, like, I don't care. But yeah, no, sex work, it would not be for me. Not judging again anybody who does.
Just not
do your thing. It's just not for me.
Our bugs.
No. And I'm also a prude. I would be too much of a prude for that.
Yeah.
You know? Even when I wear a crop top, I feel uncomfortable. So that's just not for me.
I think after the act, I would like, throw up every time.
Yeah, I would feel sick.
It wouldn't be normal for someone to throw up like that. That much.
Yeah, no. It's not for me. It's not for me. And respect to anybody who does though, because you never know.
If that's your thing, you can do you.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
Besides from that, everybody is like entitled to their opinion as well, and their preferences. So
absolutely,
yeah.
But I think that was the last question for today.
Yeah.
I hope this was okay. Maybe I should give a trigger warning at the beginning of the video. I think that's great because I got all the raunchy questions. So yeah, but I want to thank you so much for watching, amiga. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this video, if you want us to do this more often. Also make sure to follow us on Instagram. That is Jennyfer Ross and Nonsha. They will be linked in the description box down below because we would like to send you or have you sending in questions in the future for videos. So make sure to follow us. And yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel.
Smash that button.
Smash the button. Leave us some comments. And until next time. Mwah! I think mine is shoplifting with you. Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, why you put my business out there? Why people gotta know I shoplifted? How they gonna think I'm a fucking con?
Well,
what's up?
That's right, to hit me up later on Instagram, okay? Story time for another.
Instagram?
Yes!
I didn't even know it was on Instagram.
It was on Instagram, and then I
Get your fat ass off that grade.
And then I sent you the picture. You were like, amiga, boting ko stop. Boting ko stop. Bonta mire ko te amo ko ako enos na.